father and son duo here. But 10 rings. Second place, of course, grabs you 10,000 pesos games on the September 10, 2025 at the Block HQ. Of course, they have also taken home with them some horrible goodie bags. Thank you so much, guys, and congratulations. All right, I think this is the moment we've been waiting for. Our first place. Who do you think is going to take home the first place? Can I hear it? Who do you think is going to take home the first place? Sorry, magkano nagsisigaw dito. God of Thunder! Siyempre nakabuffled kasi naka-helmet. God of Thunder! Alright, Superman! Okay, let's invite Dino Imperial!
Alright! Thank you. Sige, let's put this here muna. Excited na ba kayo? Malaman ko sino ang winner! Okay. For the first place, woo! 50,000 pesos! Alright, before we give this out, I need everybody to make some noise. Is everybody having fun? Good! Shout out to all the heroes. Where are the heroes at? Right here, right? Heroes? Villains! Where are the villains at? Before we give this away, I just want to say maraming salamat sa lahat na pumunta dito. Shout out to SM North of the Block. Shout out to Disney. Shout out to Marvel Philippines. Shout out to Phil Bars. Shout out to Fantastic Corp. Shout out to everybody that made this event possible. And of course to all of the lovely cosplayers. Round of applause to everybody who came in costume. Yeah.